one of the big questions we have in the CAR T space is, what do we do if we have more than one drug approved in the same indication? And particularly in lymphoma, we have Kite, Novartis, and Juno. And when we look at the 3 trials that we have so far, the data looks quite similar. Obviously, you cannot compare studies side by side. There's probably differences in how patients are selected. And so we do have to be cautious about comparing studies side by side. But in general, what's emerging from these studies is that about 40 to 50% of the patients have a response which is sustained, which is significant in these patients with aggressive lymphoma. And where we are seeing some differentiation maybe is on the safety side, maybe a little bit safer for Juno, but this is early data, so we need to see confirmation. And so I think at the end of the day, what's going to matter to the clinician is, if the efficacy and safety look the same, what is the FDA going to say about these studies? What is going to be the FDA label? So let's say all 3 are approved for the same indication, then what's going to differentiate the drugs are the logistical aspects. How quickly can I get the patient in front of me treated on one of the therapies? And the other driver is going to be the insurance companies. Maybe they negotiate a better deal with one of the companies. And so if I see one patient has one insurance, they get the Novartis product, and the next patient has a different insurance, and they get the Kite product or the Juno product. So I think it's going to be very interesting in the next year or so to get a better understanding of how we actually implement the commercialization of these products and how we sort of really bring it to the clinic in real time.